So, welcome to the platform of Just Nursing Things. So, we are going to start with the topic biomedical waste. So, biomedical waste is the waste that is produced during the treatment, diagnosis, and research of human or animal in hospital, clinics, labs, or blood bank. सो इन शॉर्ट हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हॉस्पिटल से जनरेटेड वेस्ट होता है जो कि हार्मफुल होता है तो उसका वेस्ट डिस्पोजल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो दैट्स ओनली द बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट. सो एग्जांपल हो गया बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट का क्योंकि वो हॉस्पिटल से जनरेट होता है तो लाइक सिरेंजेस, निडल्स, ब्लड स्टेन कॉटन हो गया, गॉज पैड हो गया, बैंडेजेस हो गए, ह्यूमन टिश्यूज आर देयर, ऑर्गन्स एंड प्लेसेंटा आर देयर, यूज्ड ग्लव्स, मास्क, means everything that come under the waste of hospitals like used thing, expired or unused medicine, also lab waste. So here the question arises, why biomedical waste is dangerous? क्योंकि because it can spread like HIV, hepatitis B and C. It all spread by bodily contacts, fluids and all. Can give injury to people like needle stick injury. Can pollute the environment like water, air, soil. Harmful to patients, staff and public. Now let's see the color coding of biomedical waste. So we are having mainly four biomedical waste coding. Let's see yellow, red, white and blue. So yellow में mainly सारे infection जो infectious waste होते हैं वो सारे yellow में आते हैं. Red में जैसे plastic जितने भी हो गए contaminated plastic, that all comes in red, contaminated. And sharp waste is disposed in white. And blue में glass waste are disposed. This we will be studying in detail. And the examples include yellow bin include human tissues, blood. And red we are having IV sets हो गए, contaminated catheters, and we are having gloves. And in white we are having needles, blade, and in blue we are having mainly medicine vials हो गए, ampules हो गए, मतलब all the sharp waste. So there is difference, a clear cut difference between white bin and blue bin क्योंकि needles and जितने भी sharp item होते हैं वो सारे white bin में आते हैं. and जितने भी क्या बोलते हैं हमारे glass wares होते हैं like ampules glass का उसमें होता है, medical vials भी glass के होते हैं, all the glass wares comes in blue bin. So it's very easy and pretty to remember. Yellow infectious, red contaminated plastic, white में sharps used to come, and blue में glass waste. So what are the method of disposable? It includes incineration, autoclaving, shredding and deep burial. So incineration में burning waste at high temperature. Autoclaving में steam sterilization, with the help of steam sterilization is done. Shredding में, as the name suggests, shredding means cutting the plastic waste into the smallest particle to dispose it easily. And deep burial means in some areas these are dig and the waste is disposed of. Now we are having sources of biomedical waste. So mainly हॉस्पिटल सेटिंग में ये प्रोड्यूस होते हैं OPD या IPD वार्ड से, ऑपरेशन थिएटर से, ICU से, लेबोरेटरी रूम, पैथोलॉजिकल माइक्रोलॉजी लैब्स एंड ब्लड बैंक्स, डेंटल क्लिनिक एंड मॉर्चुरीज. So in types of biomedical waste we are having infectious waste containing blood or bodily fluid, जिसमें blood लगा हो या body का कोई fluid हो, like example में soaked blood, soaked cotton हो गए, bandages हो गए, gauze हो गए, risk of spread infection. Pathological waste में like human tissues, organ and body parts, placenta after delivery is there, and they are highly infectious. Sharp waste like needles, syringe with needles, blades, scalpels. And pharmaceutical waste like expired medicine, unused drug, contaminated medicines. Chemical waste we are having disinfectant, lab chemicals, formalin. Plastic will IV tubing, catheters and urinary bag. Glassware waste include broken ampules, vials, slides and test tube. Now color coding of biomedical waste, let's study in detail. Yellow bin, inside that we can dispose placenta, blood soaked item and body fluids. Disposal method इसका होता है incineration, means at high temperature, and deep burial. Red bin we are having mainly contaminated plastic item like IV के set हो गए, catheters हो गए, syringes हो गए without needle, because needle is sharp and it will be going in white. And plastic is mainly disposed with the help of autoclaving, shredding and recycling. And now we are having white bin, in that sharp needles and blades used to come, and disposal method is autoclaving, dry heat sterilization and shredding. After that we are having blue bin, जिसमें कि हमारा जो कि सारे glasswares हो गए, ampules, bottles, and disposal method is disinfection or recycling. नाउ हाउ सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट इज डन. सो सेग्रीगेशन का मतलब होता है सेपरेट करना वेस्ट एट द पॉइंट वेयर इट इज जनरेटेड. जहाँ पे वो प्रोड्यूस हुआ है वहीं पे उसको सेपरेट कर देना. वेस्ट हमेशा एट बेड साइड ओटी लैब से होते हैं और इट शुड नेवर बी मिक्स विद बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट विद जनरल वेस्ट बिकॉज दे बोथ आर डिस्पोज सेपरेटली. स्टोरेज ऑफ बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट तो स्टोर्ड इन अ कलर कोडेड कंटेनर and it's very important for how many hours. 48 hours. Container should be leak proof. मतलब leak proof हो मतलब the thing shouldn't leak from that. Leaked labeled with biohazard symbol and symbol should be always there. Transportation of biomedical waste transported in a closed trolley. No manual handling and separated route for waste treatment or disposal method like incision. As stated earlier, burning waste at high temperature and it is used for yellow category waste. Autoclaving uses steam under pressure, kills microorganism. Used for red and white waste. मतलब ऑटोक्लेविंग में बहुत बहुत तेज स्टीम दी जाती है, मतलब एट हाई प्रेशर. लाइक हमारे कुकर मतलब हमारा प्रेशर कुकर जिस प्रिंसिपल पे वर्क करता है, ऑटोक्लेविंग भी सेम उसी पे करती है. मतलब हाई प्रेशर की वजह से जो भी माइक्रोब्स रहते हैं वो किल हो जाते हैं. एंड रेड एंड वाइट वेस्ट आर जनरली autoclaved. Shredding means cut waste into small pieces and prevent. Now we are having deep burial used in rural area for anatomical waste like placenta or any organ and etc. are deep buried inside the land. Hazards for improper biomedical waste. अगर ठीक से नहीं डिस्पोज करेंगे तो स्प्रेड होगा इन्फेक्शन का लाइक HIV, hepatitis B and C. Injury to healthcare worker will be there like needle stick injury will be there. Environmental pollution will be there. Bad smell will be coming from that way and there will be lots of pests like flies and all traveling generating from that disposable point. Safety measure for healthcare worker to while disposing out we should wear gloves, mask, apron. Do not recap needles. We as a healthcare professional we should never recap the needle because it can be contaminous. Wash hand after handling the waste. Get vaccinated for hepatitis B prior to any kind of contamination. So that was all about biomedical waste, and for part 2 comment me below, and till the time do like, share and subscribe if you found the channel helpful.